Your mental model may be saying to you, God cannot shift someone like you. God cannot send someone like you. God cannot use you. Do not believe in it. Because God often chooses the unlikely, like me, to lead NCW, the broken and the redeemed to carry His glory. Why? So that no one can boast and everyone can hope. Jesus called Paul, who was a violent persecutor of Christians, to become an apostle to the Gentiles. The people around him were amazed. And their mental model says this: someone like Paul cannot be called to be an apostle. How can it be possible? What Paul is essentially saying is this: change your mental models. Don't be conformed to the world patterns. Adopt a kingdom mindset.